This is the JBL Quantum 100, the cheapest on JBL's lineup of gaming headphones, recently released to cater to all walks of life who are in search of an adequate headphone that they can use in gaming, movies, and in music. In Philippines, this is worth 2,400 pesos. Now, that's a good deal if you ask me, but affordable doesn't mean you should get it. But should you get it? Watch our full video to find out. Stick around until the end, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe today by clicking the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. Our quick review and unboxing following up next. Okay, so our package arrived at a typical brown box. So kudos to JBL for keeping our package safe. Upon opening the brown box, so this is what we will see, a typical JBL box, but it's a glossy type of box and it feels really premium. Compared to its price, I didn't expect premium quality material on a box. Because this price point, I thought that it will just came in a plain box with some logos and the name JBL, but I was wrong. So I'm gonna let you take a look at the box. Take your time, we're not going anywhere. At the bottom of the box, you'll see a couple of barcodes to prove that it's a legitimate JBL item. And upon opening that premium box, I guess there's nothing much to expect. What's inside is the JBL headphone with no detachable cord, the detachable mic, and the manual, and that's it. Now, you don't have to be an expert to tell that this is really a very comfortable headphone. The grip on your head is very soft, but at the same time, it doesn't easily fall off. And the cushion of the cups, the foam on the ear, I can't tell if it's a memory foam, but it's really comfortable. The leather, however, doesn't also feel cheap, it feels premium. Okay, so a closer inspection reveals that the headphone clearly indicates which cup goes to the left ear and which goes to the right. Below one of the cups are the mute button and at the same time the control lever or scroll, whatever you call that.
That's true.
And on the same side is the plug where you can attach the detachable mic. Now going to the detachable mic, I can say that it's really bendable, it feels premium, and it won't easily break off. This guys is simply amazing. Now, normally I've had issues sweating on my ear whenever I wear a closed back headphone. I had this issue with the Audio-Technica M40X, but in this case, it's really great to know that I don't feel that much sweating, especially during this summertime. It's really comfortable and the air really gets in somehow. As far as the noise cancellation is concerned, it's not the best, I would say, but it works for me. Now, as far as the cord is concerned, this is really my issue right now. Although I don't expect really a premium feel, but I thought they could have done a better job in this area. But you can tell that it's nitpicking. It's probably not a big of an issue, but I just hope that they did a better job in this area. So this is how it looks like when it's attached. So unfortunately it's not movable, you cannot move it up and down. It's sort of like in a fixed position, but it's really bendable, and I can't stress this enough. That's a good thing for me. So I tested the headphone on music. It's really good. The bass, I couldn't complain. The treble, to be honest, it sounds like a little sharp at the beginning, but I don't know. Maybe it's because the headphone is quite new and it needs some time to break in, or whatever the term is for newly purchased headphones. But the treble seems like a little sharp for me, but that's a minor concern because you can easily adjust that using your phone or your computer's equalizer, or if you're using a TV, the sound equalizer for your TV. For music, it's really good, and if you're traveling, like what I said, the noise cancellation isn't 100%, but I couldn't complain because it's good enough for me. The fit, it really feels good. It doesn't hurt after using it a couple of hours for a very long time. Now, whatever my issue is with the treble, it compensates when it comes to using it for work. Whenever we're conducting meeting, I have no problem listening to every word that the people are saying. I mean, the treble may be, for some, may be bad for listening to music, but when it comes to voice clarity, there's no complaint. I mean, it's really great. And the other people on the other line have no problem hearing me, even if I don't speak that loud, or even if my mic volume is just in the middle. So here's video of my kid playing and using the JBL Quantum 100 premium gaming headphone. Like what we said earlier, this headphone is the cheapest on the JBL's recently released lineup of gaming headphones, but it doesn't feel cheap. I mean, seriously, this is worth parting with your 2,400 pesos, Philippine pesos, hard-earned money. Now, for this amount of money that you will spend on a headphone, you can't really say that there's no downside. Of course, there are. For instance, this material, it feels like weak. Now, it's a good thing that the headphone is bendable and it's good for people or for children who's gonna use them for playing online or on their game consoles. But it feels like you need to be extra careful when using the headphone. I guess we'll do a quick review again after a couple of months to see how it fares after wear and tear. My other complaint is the wire. This is actually long enough for me. This is a 1.3 meter wire, but it just doesn't feel premium. I mean, it's not entirely cheap, but I think they could have done a better job at this wire. Another thing that you're missing on this headphone compared to other alternatives, I guess, is the detachable wire. Now, 1.3 may be enough for some of you. For travel, it's good. For using and attaching on a PS4 controller, this is good enough. But if you're going to use it on a PC, depending on how far your CPU is, it may not be enough for everyone. I mean, the length of the cable may not be enough for everyone, so it still would have been great if the wire was detachable. But still, for the price, you can't complain. Other than those two, I see no other issue with the headphone, except for I feel like the treble sometimes at high volume is a little painful to listen to, but I think that the headphone just needs some breaking in, and you can easily tweak the treble and the bass depending on your preference. But it's not a reason to stay away from this headphone if you're in the market for one. Okay, so what do you think, guys? Is this headphone worth parting with your hard-earned money? Let us know on the comment section below. If you're not fully decided yet, you can check out some of the JBL competitor on this price bracket. You can check this Kraken headphone or the super popular HyperX gaming headphone. Okay, so that's it, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on our next video. Stay safe.